How to make 2x2 faces from this. Go to this. Face making in 2x2 is the first step in the two most popular speed solving methods, Ortega and EG. And in both of these methods, especially EG, you want to be able to make faces very quickly and efficiently. In today's video, I'll show you just how to do that. And by the way, I'll be using white in all the face making examples, but you can do it with any pieces if you're color neutral. Number 1. The common insert cases. The face piece you want to insert to the bottom layer, like this, is facing to the right. Then do R, U, R prime to insert it to the bottom layer. If the piece you want to insert to the bottom layer is facing you like this, move to the right, and then do L prime, U prime, L. If the piece you want to insert into the bottom layer is facing up like this, then look at the bottom, and if there's a piece down here, move this over, move the piece up, R2, or R twice, move it to the side, and then move this bar, these two pieces you kind of connected together, down like this, and now we'll both insert them to the bottom layer. But if you look into the bottom layer and don't see any other face pieces there, then you can just do R2 and they'll insert it to the bottom layer. Number 2, the uncommon good and bad cases. Now if you have a face piece facing you, instead of turning to the right and doing the old way, if there are no face pieces below, all you have to do is R prime and they'll insert it to the bottom layer. This is really good for making a face early on, because there shouldn't be too many pieces in the bottom layer. If you're about to finish your face, but if you have a piece misaligned like this, then do RU, R prime, and then do either of the face cases will show up, so you can, in this example, it's RU, R prime, to insert that piece to the bottom layer and fix its misalignment. If you have a misaligned face piece like this, now you could move it down into the bottom layer, which would solve it. But instead, look at the top layer, and if you see another face piece, move it, and see if they match. If they match, move both pieces in the bottom layer, and congratulations, you inserted 2 pieces instead of 1. But sometimes it won't work, like this face piece facing the wrong direction, which if you try to insert it, it'll just get misoriented and not go into the right spot. This is especially useful if you're making your face early on. Number 3, during inspection, look for bars and pieces. Now, when you're in inspection, look for things like this, which is called basically a bar, or when 2 face pieces are connected like this. And then look for any of the other pieces. For example, we have a piece here. So basically, what you want to do in inspection is one look at the face, like this. So using those insert cases I taught you earlier allows you to easily make a face, especially when there's already a bar made. Number 4, practice. Basically, doing more practice will get you more familiar with the cases, basically increasing your turns per second. For example, this may look like you when you very first start out using these cases. After a bit of practice, this may look like you. Do more practice solves using these cases and these tips in today's video, and eventually they'll become so easy to do, they'll be like the back of your hands, or muscle memory. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you did, please subscribe as it really helps out our small channel. See you in the next one.